Maddie, ask and you shall receive. So let's do a quick tutorial on how to do our Etsy shop banner. So under here where it says what will you design today, we're going to say Etsy shop banner. And just to narrow it down, I'm going to type in flowers, okay? So it's going to pull up a bunch of flowers. So if you see any of these banners that have the little crown on it, it means that it's Canva Pro. All right, so Canva Pro is $12.99 a month. I definitely think it's worth it. However, if you want to get familiar with the system before making the investment, that makes sense too. There's a lot of things you can do without having to purchase it. All right, so let's see, I'll just pick this one and click customize. All right, and then I'm not a fan of two things. One would be all caps, I find that aggressive. And the other one would be, even though this is pretty, it's a bit hard to read. Okay, so I'm just going to delete all that. I'm going to go on the left side. I'm going to click text. And for my heading, I'm going to type in my name. All right, and then I want to have a subheading with a little bit of information. So I'm just going to pull this down and just say custom summer beats. Okay, because I do like to mix this up for every season. All right, now if I want to make the font bigger, there are two things I can do. One is I can drag. The other one is I can go up here and change it that way. Okay, so the nice thing about Canva is it does give you a guide as to where things should be lined up. So when you see these lines, so that's this up and down line's telling me that I'm right in the middle. And then this line's telling me that it's centered. All right, so if I want to change the color of my font, I'm gonna go up here to color. And you can either use something, over time, if you have Canva Pro, it might develop like a branding kit. Or what I like to do is go down to where it says the photo colors. So it's pulling the colors that are already here. All right, so then you know that you've matched it. Okay. So say you are not feeling this element or this image, you can just delete it. Delete it. And then in the left column, go to elements, and we're going to do flowers. All right, and let's just pick this. It's cute. All right, so put this in the top corner, and then I want to repeat, so I'm just going to right click and do copy, and click paste, and then I'm going to drag this down here. Okay, so now I'm going to go up here to share, which is how we download it. So click download. It's going to ask you about the sizing and the file type. I just leave it as is. All right, so we're going to download it. And as it's downloading, all right, let's jump over to our Etsy shop. This is just something I've made like this video 20 times, so there's a whole bunch of random banners on here. So I'm going to click on Edit Shop. Then I'm going to go up here to this little pencil to edit. And then I am going to dump the current banner. I'm going to go to Add Image, click on the one we just made. All right, look everything over, no spelling errors, yada, yada, yada. And I'm going to click Save. Okay, and then just to make sure that I really like the layout, I like to see it without this sidebar. I'm going to go down here and just click on my shop and just make sure that I like how everything is laid out. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any follow-up questions, please just let me know.